AI has truly revolutionized the way we're creating content, and it's currently taking over the game. Have you ever wondered how to effectively use it to grow your own online presence? You're in the right place. We're going to explore how you can create animated AI content to captivate audiences and blow up your YouTube channel. The method is proven. Look at channels like 10x Income that have over 264K subscribers in just 4 months. First things first, we're going to need an AI-generated image, something like an AI artwork or a person's image. For that, we're going to use a software like Midjourney, Dupdub 2 or Canva's new AI tool. Next, we'll generate the voiceover for our AI host. After that, we'll take our generated image and voiceover and animate it using a software that will bring our AI host to life. First, head over to Chat-GPT and ask it to generate a list of 10 of the most influential people from the history and their most famous quotes. And there you go, I chose Albert Einstein. Imagination is more important than knowledge. Now let's generate image using Midjourney. Join Discord group, enter your prompt, and there you go. Our next step is to generate voiceover. Go to Dupdub, log into your account, choose text-to-speech option, paste your quote. Choose any voice you like. This one sounds great. Export it. Now, we need to use the software named DID to make the image talk. Sign up, go to create video, upload picture, upload voiceover that we generated using Dupdub, and we are all done. Click on generate video, download it. It's time to add captions. Upload the video, click on text and generate auto captions. Change the font, I am using the bold font now. I am going to add spark effect to make it look more good. And there you go, in just 5 minutes you have created your first video. Download it and use it. Here's what we have created.
Imagination is more important than knowledge.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest tutorials. Until next time, keep creating and keep innovating.